This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always retain your previous session tabs in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To always retain your previous session tabs in Waterfox, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and the first thing up here, Startup, the top thing, Open Previous Windows and Tabs. If this box is checked, then it will retain your previous session. If it is not checked, it will not retain your previous session. So you want to make sure this is checked. That is how to always retain your previous session tabs in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.